Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have y(x), y(x), y(x). That is about the reach number 1. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vx. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one that is about dy over dx. Later that we do first the derivative of v. We have number 1 dv over dx multiplied by x. This one that is about number 1, so we have v. Because this is about the product rule of the derivative. dy over dx we can change by this one. Y we change by vx. Next, s we simplify. S we simplify again. Next, v I will put on the right. We have negative v. Next, we can do common denominator. Now, this one v multiplied by 2 minus v. This one we have 2v squared minus v. So negative we change the sign of this one, and now we have like this. So 2v plus v we have 3v. This one we have negative 3v squared. Next, number 3 and number 3 we can do about factorization. Next, I will put this one go to the left, dx and s go to the right, and now we have like this. Next, we can put the integration for the both sides. Now we need to concentrate on this one. So in this situation, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to v minus v squared. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So because this one that is about 2v minus 1, this one is about 1 minus 2v. So we put the negative for the both sides. And this one in here, that is about 2v minus number 1. So this one that is about u. This one in here we have negative du. The integration of this one we have negative 1 over 3 Fn of the absolute value of u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And now we need to go back in here. Or this one in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, we have Fn of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.